boost your cleaning performance, and extend your system's capabilities with the Snout Extension Kit. The Snout Extension Kit is designed to mount directly onto your standard or Sentinel-enabled tractor, extending your reach and adding flexibility across a wide range of tube cleaning applications. In tight areas like domed bundle cleaning, where the tractor can't fit, the Snout lets you operate from outside the vessel while still reaching the target area. Using a Snout keeps the tractor's weight off the positioner rail, preventing deflection for more accurate indexing and ensuring clean, reliable data collection when using a Sentinel system. And when paired with the modular hose containment system, the Snout Extension Kit creates a seamless connection, keeping hoses protected, operators safer, and productivity high. The Snout Extension Kit doesn't just extend your reach, it protects your tractor from high-pressure effluent and debris. By keeping the tractor outside the blast zone, you'll experience less wear, lower maintenance costs, and fewer delays. The Snout Extension Kit works seamlessly with both standard and Sentinel-enabled tractors. In a Sentinel setup, the front stop sensor, normally mounted on the tractor, is relocated to the positioner. This allows Sentinel to detect the nozzle when it reaches the front end of the Snout, eliminating the need to retract the nozzle all the way back to the tractor, saving time and reducing unnecessary wear on your equipment. The Snout Extension Kit is more than an add-on. It's a powerful tool that enhances the versatility and efficiency of your cleaning system in difficult job conditions. And when combined with the modular hose containment system, it delivers hands-free single-operator efficiency while reducing clutter, tangles, and downtime. With customizable Snout styles and full Sentinel integration, the Snout Extension Kit adapts to your workflow, delivering greater control, precision, and efficiency in even the toughest applications.